Hello and Assalamu alaikum. So we are in between Ramzan. So what I thought was, let's invite a good friend who has an excellent recipe for fish chaat. I thought let's share it with all of you. So I requested to her and she agreed. It was very kind of her. Let's invite Shahida.
Assalamu alaikum Numi and the viewers.
Walaikum assalam.
New recipe which you will find it very practical and it is going to be very delicious. I think I'll put the whole of it.
So how much fish is this, Shahida?
A bit more than 1 kg.
Okay.
Okay. So the second one is going to be ginger garlic paste.
Yeah.
I took about 2 teaspoons of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger.
Okay.
So I think in seafood you need more garlic than ginger.
Yeah, for the smell,
Okay.
right?
A teaspoon of turmeric. Then it is mustard powder, but if you don't have mustard powder, you can go for mustard sauce. Cumin powder. This is here 1 tablespoon of it. 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice. So I need about 3-4 tablespoons.
3 to 4.
Yes, 3 to 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can increase it also. What do you think?
It is up to your taste. You see.
Okay.
1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon. Okay, let's mix the marinade.
Okay, so that's nice. And we can add ajwain as well.
Yes, if you wish.
Okay.
Yeah, if you wish. Sometimes people don't like very strong flavors. So if this fish is not very fresh, if you find that the fish is not very fresh, then you can add a little bit of ajwain powder.
Okay.
In a powder form, or even whole you can add. But this fish is quite fresh, so I won't add it.
That's okay also.
If it's longer, it's better.
Okay. Like
Yeah.
how long? Can we leave it
3,
overnight?
4.
or-
Yeah, we can leave it overnight also.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
If your fish is fresh, then overnight. It's the best thing to do is leave it overnight. Marination is always best when it is left overnight.
But then, if we leave it overnight, we'll need less time to cook.
Yes, exactly.
And
Marination does the half of the cooking for you.
yeah, exactly. And the smell goes, and
Yes,
it's easily,
and it matures well.
yeah. So as you can see, this is a teamwork.
Yeah.
So just put the paste all over the fish.
Yeah.
So we've added some oil, and now we're adding the fish.
Oil should be quite hot to feel the juices in the fish.
So we have to, the oil has to be very hot?
Very hot, quite hot.
Okay.
Yeah, not piping hot, but quite hot, so that the juices in the fish are captured.
Okay.
Yeah.
When should we turn it, Shahida? When it's
When the fish leaves the bottom of the frying pan, you can check first and then turn it over.
okay.
Yeah, so that it doesn't really break. You see, it comes out in one full whole piece. Now again we'll have to wait for the other side to fully cook. After frying the fish, make sure that it is still hot and sprinkle some chaat ka masala. turn it over.
So sprinkle the chaat masala, sprinkle it on all sides.
Yeah, on side, while it is hot.
So that it absorbs the
Flavors, yeah. This is it.
And now we have to debone it.
We have to debone them, okay? If you're using fillets, then you don't have to, but I prefer boning fish, so then we have to debone it too.
Okay, Shraddha. As you can see, we have deboned the fish. So be very careful. You don't leave any bone because it's going to be a chaat, so you won't be able to check it later.
Boning our fried fish, we are now going to garnish our concoction now, and then first we are going to add yogurt, black salt and a bit of white salt, okay? So
basically all these ingredients you can add as much as you prefer.
Yeah.
Some people like more onions, some people like more yogurt. So just go according to your own taste.
Yeah. This is green chutney.
Freshly made green chutney.
Freshly made green chutney.
And Shahida, what did we add in this green chutney, if you can tell the recipe?
Yeah, it is, see, your green chutney, whichever way you prefer, you make green chutney. You just have to suit your taste buds.
So green chutney is basically mint chutney, right?
Mint chutney and pudine ki chutney and a bit of dhania and green chilies.
Coriander, green chili, mint. Salt, pepper or no?
Salt, pepper, no.
No?
Everything is there. Okay, now we are going to...
You need a spoon?
This is chopped tomatoes, just to add color and also the taste.
So guys, we eat first with our eyes. The thing you eat should be colorful, fresh looking. So red and green combination is a beautiful combination.
Yeah. This is chopped onion. This is also the portion you want to use is up to you. This is fresh coriander.
It's looking beautiful, guys. I'll give you a close-up and you must try. It's really tasty. Excellent for Ramadan iftar.
Yeah. So this is roasted cumin. You just need to rub between your palms.
Zira. Safed zira?
Yeah, safed zira.
Safed zira.
Yeah. And this is finally chaat masala, since this is fish chaat. So you have to finalize this with a touch of fish chaat. So chaat masala.
And again, as much as you like.
Yeah.
There is no restriction.
No restriction.
That you have to put this much or that much. It's up to you.
So
it's
it
ready?
is ready. Yeah.
Wow. Let me give you guys a close-up.
Thank you so much for inviting me and letting me share this recipe with you and your viewers.
Thank you, Shahida.
Thank you, Nomi. Thank you so much.
Guys, do try this recipe. This is out of this world. Thanks to Shahida. Bye.